everyone, my name is Irene Callista Khalfani and my student ID number is 25 10 61 10 58. On this occasion, I will explain the legal profession of notaries. First of all, there is a definition of notary, namely, notaries is a public official authorized to make authentic deeds regarding all acts, agreements, and determinations required by statutory regulation or desired by the parties to be stated in authentic deed, guarantee the certainty of the date of the deed, store the deed, provide gross copies, and quiet the deed, as well as other authorities as regulated by law. As an independent and impartial official, a notary is fully responsible for the validity and material truth of the deed he makes, so that the deed has perfect evidentiary. First, in the eyes of the law, a notary also acts as a legal advisor for parties who need his service in making deeds. After knowing the definition of a notary, there are the rights and obligations as notaries. The rights are: number one, makes deeds that are required or desired by the parties to be expressed in the form of authentic deeds. Number two, issue gross deeds, copies or extract from deed minutes. Number three, validate the signature and determine the exact date of the letter under the hand. Number four, record private letters in a special book and make copies of original documents. The obligations are: number one, be professional, honest, thorough, independent, and impartial in carrying out their duties. Number two, maintain confidentiality of all information and statements obtained from clients in the preparation of deeds, unless there are exceptions stipulated by law. Number three, draft deeds, store them carefully in the notary protocol, and bind them into one book per month. Number four, serve parties who appear before them in accordance with the law, unless there is a legitimate reason to refuse. Then, to become a notary, a prospective notary must undergo education with: number one, academic education. First point, Bachelor of Laws. Second point, Master degree in Notary Law. Number two, professional internship. 2 years internship at a notary's office to gain hands-on practical experience. Number three, examination and appointment. First point, notary professional examination. Second point, notary code of ethics examination. Third point, notary appointment and oath. Number four, containing education. Notaries who are already working are also required to continue to follow the latest developments in legislation and regulation by diligently attending seminars and training held by the Indonesian Notaries Association and other related institutions. Next, there are several skills that must be mastered as a notary. Number one, technical and analytical skills. Number two, interpersonal and communication skills. Number three, ethical and professional skills. Number one, obligation to establish an office. Based on the notary law, UGN, a notary is required to establish and maintain an office within a certain period of time after taking the oath of office. Number two, actual implementation of office. Obligation to act in a clearly defined manner at the office to which they have been appointed. Number 3, may not hold certain concurrent position. Notaries may not hold concurrent position as civil servants, state officials, advocates, leaders of employees of state-owned enterprises or regional-owned enterprises or private business entities. Then the maximum notary fee is the amount of the notary's honorarium is based on the economic and sociological value of each deed made. Notary's honorarium is regulated in Article 36 of Law Number 2 of 2040 concerning amendments to Law Number 30 of 24 concerning the position of notary. For deeds with economic value, deeds of sale and purchase, credit agreements established of a PT, the UGS sets the following maximum limits. If a notary makes a deed of agreement with a transaction value and the maximum notary's fee is. That's all for my legal profession video about the profession of notary. Thank you and see you later.